Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button somewhere over here.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
The table. It's done. It's dry. We need to get these legs on her. See, these are the hairpin legs that have been on the wall forever. They're finally off the wall. And you guys would be so proud of me because I'm really proud of me. But look, the hairpin leg screws. I actually wrote on the baggie that these were for the hairpin legs, and I put them in a safe place, and I remembered the safe place. I'm so proud of me right now. They come with black screws that, but I'm just so proud of me right now. I mean, look, I even wrote on there what they were for. It's not like me to be like on top of stuff like that. So, well, if you've been here for any length of time, then you know. They are self-tapping, which is really nice. At the same time, I found all these other screws that I had also put in a safe place, and they look like hairpin leg screws too. I don't have any more hairpin legs that I know of. Do I? No. No. Did I lose these at some point on a different project? Probably. Found them. I'm going to put them back in the safe place. And if we find another set of hairpin legs, we will know where they are. Now this table, when I'm looking at these hairpin legs, is going to be fairly low. I don't care. This is what it's going to be. Not buying new legs. We're using what we have, and we're going to make it work. As noted before, on the underneath, this has a wider swath of wood here, so you can see it's this wide, and this is this wide. So I have to do math. I'm not happy about it. Let me find my tape measure. I'm going to find a tape measure and figure out how much math I have to do. So we need to make sure that these come in. So this one will be like right here. But then we want to make sure that one comes in the same distance, or it's going to look wonky from one of the sides. I mean, from like one side it'll look fine, or the other side will look fine. And then the other two sides it'll look like, oh, these legs are off. We don't want that. We want it to look good 360. So let me find my tape. Where is my tape measure? I'm getting myself a new tape measure, by the way. There are these things called carpenter's tape measures. And why have I never had one of these? It has all the extra numbers. So you're not going, is that 1/8 or 5/16? Is it? It's got all the numbers marked. All of them. And a write-on piece on the tape measure. Yeah, I'm getting one. If I ever make money again, I'm going to get one. They're like $10, but still. If I ever earn enough doing this to actually have discretionary income and not just fill my tank, I'm going to totally get one of those. But until then, I got to figure out where the one that's supposed to be right there went. It's supposed to be right there. It has Peony Lane Designs on the side. Let me go find it. I put my sticker on it so my family don't steal it. They still steal it. They still steal it. So this one is 2 and some lines. If I had numbers on here, I'd know. Is that all the way up? And because I don't have numbers on it, I need a pencil. Where? I had one. I found the screws. I can't find anything else. Ugh. I just mark it with the pencil. And that means we are quite a distance in. Well, we should be able to connect those two lines. And can I even see those two lines? I'm a professional. Yeah, I know it doesn't lock. No, it doesn't. I thought this was the one that does lock, but maybe. That line should be enough. Now I use straight edge. I got one. Hang on. There, you're gonna make a line here. I don't need a full line because they're gonna stay up in the corner. So I'm just doing that. And then this one down here. Gotta be joking. It's a cruel joke. Every time I turn around, I drop stuff. Okay. Mark that line. All right. I'm ready. Let's put some legs on this bad boy. So I got that one lined up over there. And my screwdriver here. Self-tapping screws my eye. Come on. We may have to drill it. We're gonna have to drill it. We're drilling a pilot hole. Where are my screws? My drill bits. I just had those too. Hang on. Can't find the damn drill bits, so I'm just using a hammer. It's not the right way. This is not the right way to do it, but it works. So we're using a hammer to pre-drill. Give a crap anymore. Just need this done. she goes. Come on. Y'all, I'll be back. Two are on the hillbilly way. I'll do the other two. Now these are the ones that I have to move in from the edge. And we're going to do them the hillbilly way. Okay? I'm not going to let you watch because it just doesn't seem to work out when you're watching. All right, they're on. And here's what I know for sure is the people making screws aren't using them. They just get stripped and stripped and stripped. I'm tired of cheap screws. All right, the legs are on. Let's go put it in the other room. I'm going to show you what it looks like as a table. Well, she was worth the fight. That is a gorgeous table. I'm going to take that to Vintage Junkie tomorrow, get a price tag on her, and send her out the door. So it took way too long to finish that piece. It should have been done days ago. But anyway, 2024 is going to be the use what we have. And look what I created out of a use what we have. I had that tabletop. It was broken off another piece. I had the legs. We're using what we've got. So most of us have way more than we need in our garages, in our workshops. So we're going to make do and make what we need with some obvious exceptions. I mean, you run out of clear coat, you need clear coat. Like with this table, I needed clear coat. But that's going to be the whole theme of this year is going to be selling what I have, repurposing what I have, using what we've got already available and ready to go out the door. Because I've got a ton of stuff that's not finished in the garage that needs to get finished, and the more I bring in, the further behind those get because shiny objects, right? And I get excited for the new project. So this is my year of we're gonna get through it. We're gonna use what we've got, what we already have, and I'm gonna slog through. It's gonna be hard. I'm going to want to do new projects. I'm going to want to get new and do all this stuff, but we're not gonna. We're going to use what we have. So this is my theme for the year. Get used to it. And that table, it's a gorgeous example of why I don't need to go shopping to find what I need to finish a project. I can make do with what I have. And my thought was to repair the base that was on there. And it was like, that was going to take a shopping trip to get everything I needed to repair that properly. And I went, let's see what we got here. And, you know, I'm glad the customer didn't want it because I think it looks great. It's a beautiful piece of wood. So we will be doing a lot more projects from the garage. Pieces that need to be resurrected and removed. They need to get finished and out the door. There's a broken piece in there right now that I've got my eyes on next. It was a completed project that got damaged after Junk Bonanza a couple of years back. It's a couple years now. And it broke my heart when that piece broke because I thought it was a gorgeous piece. One of my favorite things that the OG had made for me. It was one of his projects. My concept, my idea, he put it together. And it broke my heart when it broke in half. So my sister was loading it into the van and it literally cracked in half. And it's like, it just has taken me this long to go, all right, I'm done. I'm done feeling sorry for myself that it broke. And I want to get that finished next. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of little projects in there to get things moved and done and out of the way. But that's my goal, is to get projects like that and like this piece done and out the door with what I have. I have so much stuff, you guys. And I like getting new stuff. But at some point, I'm bursting at the seams with inventory and supplies, and it needs to go. It needs to get used and out the door. So, guessing you do too. Like we all have it. Look at this sign. This sign didn't sell. It was actually, I stenciled it on upside down. That has needed to be done for years. It would be a cute sign. I just finished the darn thing. So that's got to be repainted. There's so much. There's just so much. And I have product that I haven't even used that haven't, but wait, let me show you. You can tell from the amount of dust on this how old it is, but I haven't even opened it. This is getting used. We're going to use this up. It's like the resin. You know, I bought it for a customer table. They decided against it, but I had it. So we got to use it up. Well, this is another one. We got to use it up. So this is happening. All right. But there's a lot of products like this that are unopened in here, have never been touched. Why? I got to do it. Let's get it open, get it used, get it out of here. So this will be one of them. That's got to go. Working on these different projects. I hope you guys don't mind that this year is going to be different from the past. I don't even know, like, have we been doing this for 5 years, 4 years? I think we're on 4 years of doing this channel, and there'll be a lot less junking and a lot more using the junk we got. It just feels like that kind of vibe for me right now. And I may lose subscribers because of it, because you're like, this isn't what I signed up for. I like going junking. I like going junking too. And you know what? I'm not going to miss the All City sale. That's my exception, is the All City sale. I won't miss that one. But this stuff has got to get used. We got to use it. Let's finish some projects together. So hope you join me for the whole rest of the year, and thanks for watching. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.